morning students. Today we discuss page number 99, service sector, shifting the service activity to other outsourcing. Due to the changes in technology and stiff competition, the industry sectors, many industries has diverted to major section of their activity to service sector because maintenance is very problematic. That's why due to this one, the major activity sometimes they are shifted to service sectors. They do not do themselves to get done for the outside. For example, until a few years before, if a company employs 50 staff, they need to use the recruitment fee to pay the salary from the company payroll. Nowadays, in order to reduce the cost of the avoid the paying of health, pension, providing fund, such so many benefits. Fund benefits of the workers. A large number of the industries outsourcing security services are given to security agencies. Like this, they reduce the expenditure, more expenditure to the companies. Many manufacturing companies are outsourcing their work to research and development and accounting and legal service, customer service, public relations. All these different types of sectors belongs to the service sectors. They are given to the priority and they reduce their expenditures. The lack of the job opportunities, the hence employed the low income of the services. Now see here, closure of many industries, particularly in the textiles and other industries, are forced to work. These factories work as small vendors. The rickshaw pullers and others low income or service of the provisions. Their shift also created unemployment in urban areas. People from the rural area came to work in the city, but there is no enough employment to provide for them. So they are either to back the agriculture sector or land many of the unskilled law earning employment opportunity in the services. Most part we observe the rickshaw pullers. One of the person is Asim. He came to Delhi from more than 10 years ago. He pay rickshaw during the day and stay roadside at night. Every evening he pay to rent to the owner. He earned regularly some days 250 rupees and other day he get hardly very hard worker to earning 100 to 150 rupees. These days more competition in the number of auto rickshaws around the areas are increasing. This is also not positive earning. This type of stiff competition we can observe there from the rickshaw pullers. So some service sectors are made to give very less wages. The stress in the job of the information technology, you can see, become the software engineer, they become the dream of the young people these days. This service job is also to bring a lot of income and their families, but at the same time they bring stress. The new job they for the IT professionals. You can observe it. Because of the morning and night they are hard work. Due to this one, there is no time to maintain the relationship. See here, my lifestyle is improved due to the IT. In college I had to own just 2 trousers and 2 shirts. Now I don't know how many shirts I have. I have not counted. I buy good quality of the clothes. I do not have to think about what I am explaining. So definitely the wrong working of the software added to comfort to my life. Yearly there is a lot of financial problem in the families. My brother and sisters were not able to study properly due to this one. Now I am very happy that I have been able to solve these problems. But it is very stressful and mechanical. There is no social life in his hometown. There is always people around, but there is no relatives, no neighbors. And there is always something go to back of your heart out to it, but here it is not like that. So outside sometimes you can have possible, but who are working in the profession is not much. So desert the service today, you can see the recent times there has been some debates about especially the service sectors. So we need to understand. For the case study one, for FDI, that is called foreign direct investments, the relating agencies. Since 2012, a foreign companies can set up the retail shops and sell the goods in India. Well, few of the support of the new policies. May other they are arguing giving out these policies. More, we can observe these who are the critical about this argue that small farmers may initially find it attractive to sell there directly to their goods to the foreign supermarket. And by this foreign investment, companies will soon their latter this misuse their power because all the farmers selling to the goods to the one consumer, one company, Later he connected that onwards, he make to the charges at high prices. About 20 to 40% of agricultural goods are wasted due to the lack of the proper storage facilities. We know that about. This is the not a small quantity which one is the neglecting when it comes to the improvement of the living condition of farmers. So this wastage may be minimized if the government establishes to safe storage points. Or sometimes we can save to with the MNCs means multinational companies. Also, the supermarkets will minimize the wastage from the farm product produced through the investment of large storage facilities and not a preservation of our accounts. At the illegal wages, where alleged wastages of the farm produce and excavated, most part, what are the wastage part is reduced, and also they make them to most part they are selling in outside. The storage facilities, there is will be a loss of job in the traditional small retail shops. Will drive out the small retailers. You can observe it. A big, what are the big sellers? Most part of they are damaged the small retailer sellers because they sometimes they are given to the offers and they damage to tilt to damage the small retailers. So when the small retailers are vanished these opportunities, on their words, is the supreme races in the marketing. So resulting the concentration of the market power in the hand of the very few. The support of the argument that they will begin gain or losses of the FDI, but overall the gains overall the weight of the losses, moreover in course of time, the losers too will be benefited. It is argued that large and medium sized farmers will be initially benefit the most, while the small farmers and landless laborers will be the losers. However, the purchasing of the big supermarket will increase the demand of agricultural products. You can observe in outside market today also. So many biggest marketings make to the gather the raw material, what are the necessary for the supermarketings, they gather from the farmers in a large manner. Which is the term the expanding agricultural output. Which one is the term? Many increases the demand of the laborers. They will be increase the agricultural wages in the long run. Sometimes it is great to opportunity provided for the agri sector. Sometimes it is one shade of the benefits. You may recall that what the land in the sixth class social studies, how paddy versus traders earn the profit. The farmers by lending money to get back their produce at lower than the price of the prevailing in the market. Same in manner, we can observe the FTA marketing companies. The foreign retailers may also enter into the interlinked contract with the farmers and lower interest rate of the exchange the money lenders is too not a desirable result of the affair of the farmers. So, however, but lesser evil. MNC can be purchased the more produce due to the better storage facilities than will be beneficial of the farmers than you have to put down the money lenders. We can see like this a lot of versus sometimes benefit, sometimes losses to the FDIs. Okay, tomorrow remaining part we will discuss.